I've attended a lot of screenings, and I've come throughout the years to watch my friends' films and so on. This would be my second project screened at a film festival. The first one was Breathe, season one. We were lucky enough to have the screening of the first few episodes at Mami. So this is my second time. I'm still learning. I actually don't know all the ropes yet. I'm getting there, but of course it means a lot. You hear about it. I mean, I think you have a Cannes that kind of sets the bar globally, and you kind of have that image in your head. And it looks exciting, and I think they're more meaningful than awards and things like that. They have a little more substance since you go watch the film together. You know, you're not just picking out who deserves a particular award. You actually sit together as an audience and get to watch it. So it's a nice feeling as well. It's like celebrating the film as a team. So response has been a little overwhelming. This was just something that we all decided to get together and do. I mean, Apar and I. For Archit, he's been trying to get this short film off the ground for a while now, and he faced a lot of obstacles, so I think he was just happy to see it through to the finish line. For me, you know, it was a nice little story, it's a nice script. Apar is great to work with. Ghazal is a fantastic writer, and I knew Archit via friends, so it was actually mutual friends of Archit's and mine who put this cast together. Yeah, it's very overwhelming. We didn't think that we would be here. I'm actually a little lost for words because we didn't prep for this or prepare that we'd be at Mami Film Festival. So thank you so much. I actually use music. I don't know if that is what gets me through, but I have a playlist for every character that I play. I construct a playlist with various music that I listen to throughout that time. And I see which particular track or song fits from beginning to end with the character's graph. So pick up and drop as the climax of the character's life, or the downs and ups and downs of the character's life. So I usually have music playing all the time. My headphones are usually in, and my DOPs get kind of mad sometimes when they're like, "Oh, iske gaan mein kuch hai, nikalo, can you hear me, darling?" Yeah. So I'm usually just busy with that, with the music. Still finding other ways that work. Yeah. I'm very excited. I can't wait for the film to release. It's been a while since we have shot the film. It's gone through a lot of changes, and we're very excited to see it through to the finish line now. It was great working with Harma, Tarun. He's hilarious. Jackie is an inspiration, as is Sushant. It's been lovely to have been able to share screen space with all of these guys. So yeah.
सोचो अब थोड़ा सा कम हो, पहले तो बहुत ज़्यादा था. सो आई थिंक इट्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज आपका वर्क शेड्यूल इतना हेक्टिक रहता है, एंड ऑल्सो द काइंड ऑफ स्पेस, द काइंड ऑफ प्रोफेशन यू आर इन, आपको कई बार सोच समझ के चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं. तो इससे पहले तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा जंपी था. ये मेरा काम वर्जन है. सोचो जंपी वाला क्या होता. सो यार, Royal Stag, Barrel Select, large short films in any case I think has become one of the most creative mediums to showcase your film. And Mami में साथ में आपके फिल्म हो रही हो, बहुत आई थिंक हर एक फिल्म मेकर के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. सो आई एम श्योर Archit is really happy, and of course the entire team, Ghazal the writer, me, Pappy, Sapna Pappy, and Zoeb bhai the producer. So everyone is really happy about the fact that हमारे को सबसे पहले यहाँ पे दिखाने को मिली है अपनी फिल्म. It's a very prestigious stage, very prestigious film festival. So and touchwood लोगों को पसंद आई है फिल्म. That's I think one of the most important things after your film gets selected. So yeah, I mean जो अभी तक लोगों ने जो vibe दी है after watching the film has been very warm and very positive. So yeah, really looking forward कि जब आ जाएगी प्लेटफॉर्म पे फिल्म, तो जब सब लोग देखेंगे तो कमेंट सेक्शन में क्या कुछ लिखते हैं. Really looking forward. And I think social media in any case, there's a paradigm shift in terms of how we used to take social media as a platform. पहले लोग इतना ज़्यादा नहीं उसके बारे में सोचते, यूज़ नहीं करते थे. अब तो लोगों आई एम स्टिल एन एक्टर. देयर पीपल जिनकी रोजी रोटी चलती है सोशल मीडिया पे. इट्स अ बिग डील, यू नो. एक अपने आप में वो प्लेटफॉर्म अपने आप में एक प्रोफेशन है वो, यू नो. सो या इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड यू नो अपने आप में, एंड यू नो कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स, एंड उनको अपने आप में प्रोफेशन है अभी एक. सो या ऑफ कोर्स आई मीन इट रियली हेल्प्स films to get promoted. It really helps actors and other, you know, public figures to connect with the audience one on one, and the audience also gets to know the personality of you know I think you know the vibe of the artist, and also vice versa. We also get to know what audience has to say about our work. Sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's good. So I mean, when it's good, you feel happy about it. When it's bad, you don't really have to feel sad about it. Rather, you have to take it as a reality check, and feel happy about the fact that there's someone who can come, you know, straight away in the comment section and tell you that you were bad in the film. So I mean, it's there's nothing wrong about it. Of course, you need to just learn from it. So yeah, Varun is definitely a brother, not a friend. and I think right from Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya, the kind of bond I've shared with him, you know, has been very, very warm. And you know, I shifted to this city with you know only one brother. Now I have two. So yeah. So I think that's also the kind of person he is, and plus you know he loves working out. He is one of the fittest guys around. So he was like, Paji, let's start working out. So I'm working out these days. So yeah. तो I think मेरे घर पे जो ऑडियंस है वो सबसे ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल है मेरे काम के बारे में. Be it my wife, be it my brother, be it my bhabhi, be it my mom, dad, they're really critical about, you know, each other's work. So they give a lot of reality checks. And of course, when you have a brother in the house who has done some 6-7 back-to-back you know hit films, you have to ask him, bro, कि क्या करना है मुझे. So yeah.